everyone, today we've got something really exciting for you. It's the brand new Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system with Orbi Voice Smart Speaker Kit by NETGEAR. So this kit contains an Orbi router and an Orbi Voice Smart Speaker. So you get better Wi-Fi and sound all packaged in one little box. So you may know NETGEAR as a company that makes routers. Well, Orbi Voice is actually the first of its kind, and it's so unique that it created its own product category. And that's because Orbi Voice combines smart speaker capabilities with mesh Wi-Fi technology. Let's get unboxing. All right, so I get that first. Ooh. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Another box. Okay, so here we have a quick start manual. And oh, this is just reminding us that there is Circle on Disney with, on NETGEAR, actually. These are smart parental controls. Here is Orbi Voice. And we've got the Orbi router here. So that's why they call it a kit, because it comes with both. And we have another box in here with like, so we have some power sources for both the router and a power source for the Orbi Voice. All right, so now that we've unboxed everything, we are going to take a closer look at Orbi Voice. As you can see here, it's wrapped in this light gray fabric that'll fit in with any home. And it's got audio by Harman Kardon, so you get superior sound quality. Now let's go to the top of Orbi Voice. So here we've got 4 microphones, so Orbi Voice can hear you from across the room. And it has Amazon Alexa built in, so you can use voice commands to play your music, control your other smart home devices, or even your Wi-Fi. It's got touch controls here at the top, so you can turn your volume up or down. And it's got 2 mute buttons, one for the mic and one for the speaker. So that's the top of Orbi Voice. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, so here we have the sync button, the power button, and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports for your wired devices, the first of its kind for any smart speaker. Now, you can place Orbi Voice anywhere in your home, like your living room. You can plug in your game console or your smart TV so you can get fast internet speeds. Or you can even put it in your kitchen so that when you're washing dishes or cutting vegetables, you can use Amazon Alexa to play your music. Or place it in your bedroom and use voice commands to turn off your lights or set an alarm from your bed. Now, let's see this thing in action. Oh, look, we have a working Orbi Voice. Let's see what it can do. Alexa, turn on Guest Network.
I will enable the Guest Network NETGEAR Guest and send a network credentials to the Alexa app.
Okay, Alexa, play some jazz music.
Shuffling jazz classics from Spotify.
Alexa, pause. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Right now in San Jose, it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Throughout today, you can expect more of the same with a high of 78 degrees and a low of 54 degrees.
Cool. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today. Thanks, Alexa. Now, let's not forget that this kit comes with an Orbi router. The Orbi Wi-Fi router has tri-band mesh Wi-Fi technology. It's the fastest and most reliable connection for all your devices. It delivers up to 3 gigabits of high-performance Wi-Fi, and it's got loads of features like smart parental controls, guest Wi-Fi network, with 4 Ethernet ports in the back. Now, you can set your kit up using the easy-to-use Orbi app. Here, you can see the status of your network, all your connected devices, and you can even tune your music. So this kit works with your existing internet service provider. So whether you have Xfinity or AT&T, you'll be able to enjoy high-speed internet as soon as you want. So that's all we have for today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll also post a link to Orbi Voice in case you want to learn more. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time.